If you want to insert the current time in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're creating a professional document, filling out a form, or just want to add a live timestamp, this is a simple feature that can save you time and make your document look much more polished. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can either start a brand new Writer document or open an existing document where you want the time to appear. If you're working in a report, letter, note, or template, this method works the same way. Once your document is open, click exactly where you want the time to be inserted. This is important because LibreOffice will place the time right at the position of your cursor. Now, look at the top menu bar and click Insert. This menu contains a lot of useful options for adding different elements into your document, including special fields, images, tables, and more. From the Insert menu, move your mouse to Field. A submenu will appear, and from there, click Time. As soon as you click Time, LibreOffice Writer will automatically insert the current time into your document. It will appear based on your system settings and formatting preferences, so it may show in a 12-hour or 24-hour format depending on your computer. And that's it. The current time has now been added to your document. If you need to place the time in more than one spot, just repeat the same process. Click where you want it, go back to Insert, then Field, then Time. This is especially useful if you're building templates, creating records, or formatting documents where timestamps are needed in multiple sections. One helpful tip is that fields like time can be useful when you want documents to stay dynamic. That means the time can update based on how the field is used, instead of being typed in manually like plain text. So if you're making a form, draft, or reusable document, this feature can be really handy. If you accidentally click in the wrong place, don't worry. You can always undo it and try again by placing your cursor in the correct location. LibreOffice makes this process very beginner-friendly, so even if you've never used fields before, you should be able to follow along easily. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Writer, place your cursor where you want the time, click Insert, then Field, and choose Time. In just a moment, the current time will be inserted into your document. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tips, productivity tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.